Hey everyone. So today I'm at Heathrow Airport Terminal 5 viewpoint. I went to Myrtle Avenue just now, but don't seem to be getting the below viewpoints, the below flying aircraft is what I see on YouTube videos. I don't know if it's like certain days or what. So I come here to Terminal 5 viewpoint, I think it's Stamford Road, and I'm getting a much better experience. Much better. Yeah, of course they tend to bloody come when the HGV lorries are coming, so it's really annoying sometimes. But it's good going. I think that's an A380 in front, slowly moving. I hope it's getting in position because I want to film this. So I'm in good position. I'm hoping I see like A380 soon. I'm sure I had a full length passenger deck on the top. I assume it was just joining the queue. Hope so. Stamford Road, where that Heathrow garage is. It's a good viewpoint. Yeah, so I just checked my Google Maps. I don't know where what Stamford Road comes from. I think that's another viewpoint. This is Southern Perimeter Road. Yeah, you can see the garage in the background. We obviously didn't need as much space to take off. I don't know, is that the 380? Anyone want to tell me? I don't know why they're taking it to that side rather than closer to this one. I'll show you what I mean in a second. A while ago they seemed to be taking off fairly close, but now they're kind of, well, a little more in the distance. I don't know why. I don't know whether Terminal 4 runs adjacent to Terminal 4, parallel to Terminal 5. I have no idea. It seemed like they were going up close and they were going like loads that way. And I don't know, I've never been in this spot before, it's my first time. That's it, people. I thought that was it. I got the bus from a short walk after our Terminal 5 viewpoint, and now Hatton Cross Station. I just witnessed about 5 large planes come in. I didn't think I was going to catch those. I thought the video was going to end like a little while ago. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Hopefully some more Heathrow trips coming. It was a bit of a trek, getting the Elizabeth line, and then one more stop on the Piccadilly line. Just trying to see if one more comes along whilst I'm speaking, but one should do. I think I hear one in the distance.